tubaniriza Highfield Think Tank TV Kasoma Faruku Uganda. Lero twagala tulabe the changes that were introduced in the Middle East after the introduction of oil. Tugamba after the introduction of oil in the Middle East, changes rose up in the Middle East. For example, infrastructure development. We are seeing the infrastructure developments like roads, enguudo webalina okuyisa amafuta zabeeranga ziri improved upon. Ekirala, foreign interference. Tugamba foreign interference nti Middle East oil we yali introduced, foreign interference, foreign powers zatandika okujja in the Middle East. Ekirala wars, tulaba entalo ez'enjawulo zajja in the Middle East. Lwaki? Because abantu ba stakeholders ab'enjawulo baali balwana babe nga be basinga. So tugamba the introduction of oil in the Middle East led to changes in the Middle East. Ekirala, tugamba the introduction of oil in the Middle East led to regime change. Nti ensi ez'amaanyi foreign powers nga Bungereza, USA zawagira abantu ab'enjawulo bajje mu buyinza nga kyebaagala babe nga bakkiriza police zaabwe ezikwata ku mafuta. So tugamba the introduction of oil in the Middle East led to changes. Tugamba byaleeta enkyukakyuka in the Middle East, era tugamba development of towns. Towns are developing in the Middle East after the introduction of oil. So tugamba the introduction of oil in the Middle East and the discovery of oil in the Middle East led to changes in the Middle East. Tujja genda maaso okubaaweereza, osobola otugoberera ku YouTube, TikTok